welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? So it's been a long, I have not uploaded videos because I was busy with all my wedding stuff. Not my wedding, like I do makeovers, right? My hair and makeup. So उसमें क्या होता है that you are totally like so much busy with all of that, and once you come home you don't feel like लगता ही नहीं है to film videos and stuff. But still I had a lot of ideas to film, a lot of video contents to show, review to you guys, and this is something that I love and always will keep doing no matter what. But if you follow my makeup page, that is Priyank Makeup and Hair, you will get each and every single updates, like my makeovers, how I do makeup, hairs and all that. So if you are interested in those things, definitely you can follow my page. They are in the description. Okay, anyways, so today what am I going to do? I am going to actually show you an haul of Earth Rhythm products. मैंने बहुत पहले लिया था, तो even now दिवाली का ऑफर सेल चल रहा है, so definitely you can get like 50%. Earth Rhythm is like something that was always in my wish list from a long time to purchase a lot of skincare from their brand, because a lot of things I'm going to discuss today. But finally I got a massive products. 8 products है मेरे पास total. So थोड़े products मैंने use भी किया, so I can also share some mini reviews. Okay, so before starting off, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. That will be something very great for you guys. You will get all like my notifications all the time whenever I upload videos. And also my Instagram links will be in the description, so if you have an interest in those part of my life, definitely check it out. Okay, now let's begin. So firstly I'm going to show you the boxes. So these are the boxes and the products are in here. So जब मेरे पास ये डिलीवर हुआ था, आई हैड एक्चुअली शेयर्ड स्टोरी ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम, मैंने दिखाया था कि मैंने बहुत सारे अर्थ रिदम के प्रोडक्ट्स परचेस किए हैं. Earth Rhythm is an amazing skincare brand. If you love skincare, I think they are also launching some makeup, but mostly skincare. So skincare, I'm a fanatic. Like I love skincare, makeup both, to be honest. But skincare comes first to me because when your skin is good, makeup will definitely look up, like automatically makeup आपकी skin पे मतलब it will be layered like a butter. But anyways, I always like, even to my clients and all, I always preach about skincare so much. I love skincare. But anyway, so Earth Rhythm, Juicy Chemistry, they are Indian brands and they're coming up with amazing skincare products with like ingredients that is like vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and also like actual stuff which is very good for your skin, and lots of research and all. तो छोटे छोटे कंपनी से वो लोग ने अपना जो इतना बड़ा एम्पायर है वो आज बिल्ड किया है. बट एनीवेज, a lot of products which I wanted to try, and they are not cheap, like the products, because when it comes to a lot of research, amazing products and actually authentic products that is going to work for your skin, they are going to be more than 5-7 मतलब 1000 के अंदर आपको मिलने वाला है. But for me even 1000, like it obviously it's costly, right? So I was waiting for a long time, and when that 50% offer, like everywhere it was like advertising that 50% offer. Even now Diwali sale चल रहा है, definitely check it out. 50% Earth Rhythm it's a dream, definitely check it out. What products I'm going to share is something that I wanted to purchase from a long time. I hope कि Juicy Chemistry भी 50% off में I'm going to like bang my account that time. But anyways, let's get started with the review. Sorry, the haul. Always confusing. The first thing is this reusable cleansing pads. So what happens is, after doing makeup and all, we use water, like, or we use cotton to get over the this, right? But I feel eco-friendly nahi hai abhi. Now this kind of pad is something that you can use it number of times, and it is very friendly, eco-friendly, plus ज़्यादा water consume नहीं होता, ज़्यादा product नहीं consume होता. So once you clean, so how I remove my makeup is I use cleansing balm from Plum. So I massage that and then I use this to remove it out. That's it. And then I will wash my face. So this is something that if you are also wearing a mask, so आपको you don't have to splash 100 layers of water on your skin. Rather you can just use this, और एक ही take में आता है. Plus the material is very soft. So this I don't remember the price. I will link it in the description. But for this, इसका MRP 100 and something है, but I got it for 89 something, which is a steal for Earth Rhythm. Definitely quality is absolutely amazing. Okay, the second product is sunscreen. This is everything. I think I have also spoke about the importance and the benefits of sunscreen, which is very important. Something basic skincare that no matter which age group or which like female or gender you are, you have to use your sunscreen. So I used to use, like abhi tak I use the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer, like that is like OG. But Earth Rhythm ka SPF 50, this is the hybrid sunscreen, and this is like UV both, and this is something that I wanted to get from a really long time, but this retails for more than 600 के ऊपर कुछ है. But this was absolutely 50% off. That is, I got it for 337 rupees. I think it's amazing, and genuinely speaking, this sunscreen is love, guys. Genuinely speaking, this sunscreen doesn't have any white cast. आपकी skin, it looks like you're wearing skincare, glowing लगता है. I feel this is a mixture of sunscreen and like makeup and sunscreen. मतलब makeup नहीं बोलूँगी, but your skin looks like you're plumping plumping, and it looks like you're glowing from within. That is how much and plus you can wear this even if you layer it twice or thrice, still your skin is not going to get greasy, you're not going to feel oily, or even when you're not going to sweat that much. Like that is the difference I've seen. Even the Neutrogena ka sunscreen jo hai na, it is thick, so it feels like you're wearing some heavy stuff on your skin. This is a very lightweight, this will suit for all skin types, generally speaking, even sensitive skin. For me, and the packaging, like look at the packaging, is pretty like thought obviously gaya hai, so outer packaging bhi hai, inner bhi hai. So this is something that I will highly recommend if you want to purchase. Now they also come with SPF 30 and 50. This is a 51. So if mostly I think winter ke liye 30 will be fine, but all the year around definitely go with 50. Okay. The second thing is again one of the something that I really love. This is the Pore Out face mask. It has pumpkin enzymes and glycolic acid, so this is very good for exfoliation, and also very good for if you wear makeup, if you wear sunscreen on a regular basis. So this kind of mask which has acid, that is the AHAs or like BHAs and enzymes, that is going to clean your skin from within and but not irritate. So I don't use physical exfoliate anymore, that is those scrub जो रहते हैं ना granules वाले, मैं ज़्यादा नहीं यूज़ करती. So this kind of face mask is something that वो mask का भी काम करेगा and exfoliation का भी काम करेगा, 2-in-1. The packaging is pretty cool. So pumpkin enzymes are very good for exfoliation. A lot of celebrity facialists use this kind of ingredients, and that is what really attracted me towards this particular product, because face mask में भी बहुत variants थे, but this is something that I love because I know that मेरा exfoliation और face mask दोनों का काम होने वाला है. Using this, I have also used this on my clients before makeup. So this your skin, first of all, in one go it is like very much cleansed, plus ज़्यादा मतलब डीप वजह से मतलब खींचा हुआ नहीं लगता है, बट एट द सेम टाइम इट फील्स वेरी ब्राइटन अप. दैट इज ओनली द बेनिफिट दैट आई हैव सीन. नो साइड इफेक्ट, आई डिडंट फील एनी लिटिल टिंगलिश. आपको लगता है इफ यू डोंट, माई स्किन इज नॉट दैट सेंसिटिव, बट नाउ इट इज बिकॉज आई टेक सो गुड केयर ऑफ माई स्किन. लिटिल बिट एसिड एंड स्टफ आई फील ऑन माई स्किन, लाइक वो थोड़ा वो किचकिचाहट जैसी लगती है, बट अदर देन दैट द प्रोडक्ट इज इट रिटेल्ड मी फॉर 300 only something. The MRP is more than 700 or 600. Everything will be linked, the price in the description. The other product is this is a cleansing buff. So it took me a while to understand what this product is. So this is a product that is multi-purpose. So you can use this as a face wash, you can use this as a mask, you can also use it as a scrub. So this is a powder form kind of stuff, and it has a lot of good ingredients. So it has Gotu Kula and white turmeric, which is meant to brighten your skin and give you that deep glowiness from within kind of look. So I don't use this as a cleanser, I use this as a mask, and it literally feels like वो बेसन रहता है ना, that we make homemade face mask. It feels like that. So I've just used it once. So difference in wise, like definitely when you use it you feel cleansed and all, but I have not used it multiple times, so not sure about it. But if you want me to review it, definitely let me know. Yeah, it is definitely nice, not bad at all. This retailed for 529. I got it for 200 or 300, half मतलब 50% off कर लो. So it's nice. Packaging भी very eco-friendly. Like I hope you can see, it's like wood. It's literally a cardboard. Sorry, wood बोल रही हूँ. And the product is inside like a powder form, so you can use it as a face mask, scrub, and also face wash. Okay, and now coming to a moisturizer. This is the oil-free moisturizer. It has Centella Sake, and which is for oily skin mostly. So I got this because I have combination skin, and this is very good. हाँ इसका ऊपर का, this is very good. In this also इसमें 2 या 3 variants है for different skin types. So I got this because mostly morning के time पे I use on a regular basis the oat moisturizer by Minimalist. So it is a bit like it feels like आपने moisturizer लगाया, but in the morning time के लिए मुझे थोड़ा lightweight moisturizer चाहिए था, and this is absolutely amazing. This it is like a water gel kind of moisturizer. अगर आपने Pond's का oil free moisturizer use किया रहेगा जो gel वाला है, it is absolutely like that, but it has those ingredients which is going to work on your skin. Hydrating ingredients is, so your skin is also going to get that hydration, plumpiness, and also like that moisturizing what it needs from within. So definitely try if you have oily skin. For winter season this is not good because बहुत ज़्यादा oily skin के लिए best है. For winter season definitely go with hydrating moisturizing moisturizers. And the next is 2 oils which I got. So this is, firstly I got the 100% squalene plant relief, and this is plumping and hydrating. Squalene is very good for hydration, so if you suffer with dry skin, extremely aging skin, definitely go with this. So अगर आपको doubt है why am I using, I am a lot into nourishing and moisturizing my skin a lot. Moisturizing is something that is going to keep your skin very good plump for a long run. In the night, definitely go with your serum, moisturizer, and top it off with oil, because everything will like seal it. Don't use only oil on your skin, because using oil is not going to do nothing, because आपके skin के ऊपर रहता है. Oil is like a thick substance, right? So it is going to just be on the surface of the skin, penetrate नहीं होने वाला, so it's not going to do any work. But after layering your serums, moisturizers, this is going to seal your products, and that is the benefit that you are going to get from the oils. And squalene is very very hydrating as an ingredient. मैंने आई हैव यूज दिस फॉर मोर देन वीक्स. जब से मैंने लाया तब से मैंने यही स्टार्ट किया है, एंड आई एम जेन्युइनली स्पीकिंग, आई एम गोना मेक अ रिव्यू. आई रियली लाइक इट. अभी के लिए आई रियली लाइक इट. एंड ऑल्सो आई हैव अनदर ऑयल. दिस इज द न्यू लॉन्च which is their cold pressed oils. इसमें 4 variants उन्होंने launch किया. So I got the passion fruit one. Again, this was so cheap. I got it for 200 or 300 rupees for Earth Rhythm. Definitely 200 or 300 I feel is cheap. I'm going to review this specifically. Definitely wait for my review. इनके 4 variants है, उसका मैंने passion fruit लिया cold pressed. It's amazing. I have also used this, so I will make a review so you can get an idea how the product is. Okay, and the last product I got is a makeup. So this is a lip and cheek tint. I wanted to get this from a really long time from like the Benefit craze. This is something that I wanted. Benefit तो बहुत महंगा है, and I don't want to invest खाली फुकट that way. So lip and cheek tints are very good on a regular basis, just to wear it on your cheeks. So even now I want to wear it. This is not that pigmented, but it is very good. I hope you can see, yeah. And it also gives this sheen. So it's like very good if you want that glowingness. I look like a clown on one side. But anyways, this is something that I don't wear that much, but it has a bit of oily texture. So you have to be, if you have oily skin, this is going to really show your pores and all. But if you have dry skin, this is going to be amazing on your skin. I hope you can see how it looks. Either थोड़ा ज़्यादा लग गया, but like see that glow and that shininess. Definitely light is falling on my main high points, but still this has that oily texture on this what do you say, the product. So when you wear it, it also gives that like shine from within kind of glow. And this is in the shade I'm not sure about the shade. This is brandy. Yeah, the shade is brandy, and this was also very cheap में मुझे मिला. 500 इसका MRP है, पर मेरे को बहुत कम में मिला. So these are all the 8 products that I got from Earth Rhythm, and I have been using them like from since the day I got it. And most of the product I think कोई भी ऐसा नहीं है that I didn't like it or felt. Only this is something that I'm doubtful because मैंने ज़्यादा use नहीं करा, but definitely I'm going to use it more frequently so that I can give a specific review. And yeah, if all the products will be linked in the description with their MRPs and the discounted rate, so definitely check it out. अभी तक sale चल रहा है, that's the reason I'm just filming it अभी, because then you are going to lose some amazing offers. Okay, so yeah, I will see you in my next video. Definitely give me a thumbs up and follow me if you are interested in more stuff. Okay, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.